nose?
Can you put the egg in the basket? Yeah, they're yours. Don't open it. You gotta find them all first. Is there more? Don't open it. What are you doing? What is that? Don't open it. Put it in the basket. Put them in the basket. That a boy. Oh no. It opened. That's okay. Just put it in the basket.